So do you actually want to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths? And this is step one of wanting to have that secret mentality to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths. Since a lot of you guys may say that you want a grade 9, but do you genuinely want to have a grade 9 in your GCSE maths exam? When you get that result sheet, you want to see a grade 9. Do you actually want that grade 9? Because you need to have the mindset that you desperately want the grade 9 in your GCSE maths. When it comes to step one of having that secret mentality to getting a grade 9 in GCSE maths, it's the mindset where you must want it. If you desperately want a grade 9 in GCSE maths, it will be something that will be making you closer and closer to getting that grade 9 and having that top level mentality, that mentality that a lot of students do not have, because at the end of the day, it is a competition between you and the rest of the students. When you look at the way the grade 9s, grade 8s, grade 7s, rest so on are differentiated, it's between what the top students, then average students, poor students, and so on. So it is split in different categories. At the end of the day, you have to be better than the rest. To get grade 9 in GCSE maths, you have to be better than the rest. Having that mentality that you desperately want a grade 9 will put you ahead of the other students, where they might find it half-hearted, they think of it as a casual, they don't want it as much. That will put you ahead of the others. Oh, you have made a good start by clicking on this video, and that's one good start, but watching it till this part of the video as well. So for me to know that you've been watching this video and to appreciate your commitment, your ability to continue watching videos, you wanting that grade 9 very badly, I would urge you to comment something in the comment section below. I would tell you to escape from the screen and type something that makes me know that you have been watching it till this part of the video. I want you to type the word secrets in the comment section below so that I know that I've made it till this part of the video. And after you've done that, you come back to the video and continue watching. Your mind will get a quick refresh, and that's your moments of a second. So there will be hurdles on the way, but your strong mentality will be very, very important if you want to achieve a grade 9. And to have that mentality, you have to be strong. You have to be strong in terms of your mentality. First of all, you have to be desperate to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths. And secondly, you have to be strong as well, because getting a grade 9 in GCSE maths is not easy. You're against a lot of other students. All of you want to achieve the best grades, but at the end of the time, you have to be smarter than your competitors. At the end of the day, you have to be more focused than your competitors. And at the end of the day, you want to be the best version of yourself to get that grade 9. And there will be hurdles on the way. And if you think that the hurdles are something that is affecting you, you have to take it easy and you have to keep pushing your boundaries, passing each hurdle one by one, because the hurdles will come again and again. I've experienced it myself, where I've struggled to get a topic in my brain to answer a particular sort of question, but it's something where I kept moving on and on and on, and that is something that was made me be able to get close to full marks in each of my maths papers. That's something that you guys need to have, that there will be hurdles on the way. You need to be ready. There will be barriers in the way, but your mentality is something that is very, very important, so that you will easily pass each and every one of the hurdles.